हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी पाठशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं फार्माकोलॉजी के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि हैं फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स के, जो कि जीपैट, नाइपर, फार्मासिस्ट, रेलवे फार्मासिस्ट और ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर की प्रिपरेशन के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होते हैं। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को। तो इसका जो फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है, फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स इन्वॉल्व इन द स्टडी ऑफ फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट। तो बायोलॉजिकल एंड थेरापेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ड्रग, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ड्रग, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ड्रग एक्शन एंड ड्रग इंट्रैक्शन। तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आंसर नंबर बी, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ड्रग्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स इन्वॉल्व होता है इन द स्टडी ऑफ फॉलोइंग। फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स किसकी स्टडी में इन्वॉल्व होता है? तो मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ड्रग एक्शन, बायो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ड्रग इन द ऑर्गेनिज्म, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ड्रग इन द ऑर्गेनिज्म, एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ द ड्रग फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनिज्म। तो उसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है mechanism of drug action. Next, pharmacodynamics involve in the following: information about main mechanism of drug absorption, information about unwanted effect, information about biological barriers, information about excretion of a drug from the organism. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी, इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अनवांटेड इफेक्ट्स। नेक्स्ट, पिक आउट द आंसर विच इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट टू द टर्म रिसेप्टर। ऑल टाइप ऑफ आयन चैनल्स modulated by a drug, enzyme oxidizing reducing reactions activated by a drug, active macromolecule components of a cell or an organism which drug molecules has to combine with the order to elicit its specific effect. Carriers activated by a drug. The right answer is C. Active macromolecular compound of a cell or an organism which drug molecules has to combine with the order to elicit its specific effects. Next question, what does affinity means? What does affinity means? A measure of how tightly a drug binds to plasma protein. A measure of how tightly a drug binds to a receptor. Measure of inhibiting potency of a drug. A measure of bioavailability of a drug. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है a measure of how tightly to a drug bind to a receptor. इसमें जो एफिनिटी होता है, जो ड्रग होता है वो रिसेप्टर से बाइंड हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट, target potents which a drug molecule bind are only receptor, only ion channels, only carriers, all of the above. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है all of the above. Next, an agonist is a substance that interact with the receptor without producing any effect, interact with the receptor and initiates change in cell function producing various effects, increase the concentration of another substance to produce effect, interact with plasma protein and doesn't produce any effect. So the right answer is B, interact with the receptor and initiates change in cell function producing various effects. Next, If a agonist can produce maximal effect and has high efficacy, it's called parental agonist, antagonist, agonist, antagonist, full agonist. तो जो इसका राइट आंसर है वो है फुल एगोनिस्ट। नेक्स्ट, इफ एन एगोनिस्ट कैन प्रोड्यूस सब मैक्सिमल इफेक्ट एंड हैज मॉडरेट इफिशियंसी, इट्स कॉल्ड पेरेंटल एगोनिस्ट, एंटागोनिस्ट। इसका राइट आंसर है पेरेंटियल एगोनिस्ट। Next, an antagonist is a substance that binds to the receptor and initiates change in cell function, producing maximal effect. Bind to the receptor and initiates change in the cell function, producing submaximal effect. Interact with plasma protein and doesn't produce any effect. Bind to the receptor without directly altering their function. The right answer is D. Bind to the receptor without directly altering their function. Next, a competitive antagonist is a substance that interacts with the receptor and produces some maximal effect. Bind to the some receptor site and progressively inhibit the agonist response. Bind to the non-specific site of tissue. Bind to one receptor subtype as an agonist and to another as an antagonist. So the right answer is B. Bind to the same receptor site and progressively inhibit the agonist response. Next, the substance binding to one receptor subtype as an agonist and to another as an antagonist is called competitive antagonist, irreversible antagonist, agonist and antagonist, and partial agonist. So right answer is agonist and antagonist. Next, irreversible interaction of an antagonist with a receptor is due to ionic bond, hydrogen bond, covalent bond, all of the above. So right answer is covalent bond. Next, mechanism of transmembrane signaling are the following except transmembrane receptor that bind and stimulate a protein tyrosine kinase, gene replacement by the introducing of therapeutic gene to correct a genetic effect, ligand gate ion channels that can be introduced to open or close by binding a ligand, transmembrane receptor protein that stimulates a GTP binding signal, single transducer protein G protein, which in turn generate an intracellular signal messenger. The right answer is B. Gene replacement by the introduction of a therapeutic gene to correct a genetic effects. Next, take the second messenger of G protein couple metabotropic receptor, adenylyl kinase, sodium ion, phospholipase C, CAMP. The right answer is D, CAMP. Next, take the substance which changes the activity of an effector elements but doesn't belong to second messenger. CAMP, CGMP, G protein and calcium ion. So the right answer is G protein. C. Next, the increase of second messenger CAMP, CGMP, CAETC concentration lead to inhibition of intracellular protein kinase and protein phosphorylation and protein kinase activation and protein phosphorylation, blocking of interaction between a receptor and effector, antagonism with endogenous ligands. The right answer is D, protein kinase activation and protein phosphorylation. Next, take the substance whose mechanisms are based on interaction with ion channels: sodium channel blocker, calcium channel blocker, potassium channels activators, all of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. Next, all of the following statements about efficacy and potency are true except efficacy is usually more important clinical consideration than potency. Efficiency is the maximum effect of a drug. Potency is a comparative measure, refers to the different dose of two drugs that are needed to produce the same effect. The EDSO is a measure of drug efficiency. So the right answer is D. Next, give the definition of a therapeutical dose: the amount of substance to produce the minimum biological effect, the amount of substance to produce the effect hazardous for an organism, the amount of substance to produce the required effect in most patients, the amount of a substance to accelerate an increase of concentration of medicine in an organism. So the right answer is C, the amount of a substance to produce the required effect in most patients. Next, pick out the correct definition of a toxic dose: the amount of substance to produce the minimum biological effect, the amount of substance to produce the effect hazardous of an organism, and the amount of substance to produce the necessary effect in most patients, the amount of substance to fast creation of high concentration of medicine is in organism. The right answer is the amount of substance to produce effect of hazardous of an organism. B. अगर आप लोगों को हमारी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।